Are you ready to create a thrilling 10-minute football video? Imagine the excitement of capturing the most exhilarating moments of the game, the kind that make fans jump out of their seats and cheer with all their might. Picture this, a slow-motion replay of an incredible goal. The ball soaring through the air, the crowd holding its breath, and then erupting in joy as the ball hits the back of the net. These are the moments that make football magical. The electric atmosphere of a packed stadium at night, with fans waving flags and chanting in unison, creates an unforgettable experience. Capturing this energy on video can transport viewers right into the heart of the action. In this guide, we'll break down the process step by step, making it fun and easy for you to create a video that wows your viewers. From selecting the best clips to editing them seamlessly, we'll show you how to bring your vision to life. Whether you're a seasoned filmmaker or just starting, these tips will help you produce a highlight reel that captures the true spirit of football. We'll explore techniques used by professionals and how you can apply them to your own projects. Get ready to unleash your inner filmmaker and create a video that celebrates the beautiful game. We'll guide you through the entire process, from pre-production planning to the final edit. From choosing the right footage to adding the perfect soundtrack, we'll cover everything you need to know. Music can elevate your video, adding emotion and intensity to the visuals. Let's get started on this exciting journey of creating your own football masterpiece. With the right tools and a bit of creativity, you'll be able to craft a video that not only showcases the best of football, but also tells a compelling story that resonates with your audience. So grab your camera, fire up your editing software, and let's make some football magic together. The first step is selecting your best footage. This is where you choose the moments that will make your video truly special. Look for the most exciting plays, spectacular goals, incredible saves, and skillful teamwork. Choose footage that is clear and well shot. Don't be afraid to be selective. Remember, you only have 10 minutes to tell your story. Focus on quality over quantity. Each clip should contribute to the overall excitement and narrative of your video. By choosing wisely, you will keep your viewers on the edge of their seats. Now that you've gathered your best footage, it's time to organize it. This is a crucial step in the editing process, as it sets the foundation for your entire video. Without proper organization, even the best clips can lose their impact. Think of this stage as creating a game plan for your video. Just like a coach strategizes for a game, you need to plan how your video will unfold. This involves deciding the sequence of your clips and how they will transition from one to the next. Arrange the clips in a way that tells a compelling story. Your goal is to take the viewer on a journey, making them feel the highs and lows of the game. Start by identifying the key moments that you want to highlight and build your narrative around them. You might start with some warm-up drills, setting the stage for the action to come. This helps to build anticipation and gives context to the main events. Then move into the most important plays, showcasing the skills and strategies that define the game. These moments are the heart of your story, so make sure they are presented in a way that maximizes their impact. And finally, end with a celebratory moment. This provides a satisfying conclusion to your video, leaving your audience with a sense of closure and triumph. Consider the flow and rhythm of your video. The pacing should match the energy of the footage. For instance, fast-paced clips should be edited together quickly to maintain excitement, while slower moments can be given more time to breathe. Do you want to start with high energy and maintain it throughout? This approach can keep your audience on the edge of their seats, eager to see what happens next, or would you prefer a more gradual build-up to a thrilling climax? This can create a more dramatic effect as the tension slowly rises to a peak. Experiment with different arrangements to find what works best for your footage. Don't be afraid to try unconventional sequences or unexpected transitions. Sometimes the most memorable videos come from taking creative risks. This step is crucial in crafting a captivating narrative that will keep your audience engaged. A well-organized video not only tells a story but also evokes emotions, making your audience feel like they are part of the action. So take your time, experiment, and find the perfect arrangement for your clips. Trimming your clips is essential for maintaining a fast-paced and exciting video. Go through each clip and remove any unnecessary footage. This could include dead time between plays or moments where nothing much is happening. The goal is to keep the energy level high and the action moving. Don't be afraid to make your clips short and snappy. A few seconds of action-packed footage can be more impactful than a longer, uneventful clip. By trimming your footage carefully, you can create a video that is both dynamic and engaging. Remember, every second counts. Section 5. The soundtrack to victory music and sound effects. In this section, we will explore how the right music and sound effects can transform your video into an immersive experience. Music and sound effects can make a huge difference in your video. They have the power to evoke emotions, set the tone, and enhance the overall atmosphere. Choose music that fits the mood and energy of your footage. For instance, an energetic background track can amplify the excitement of a fast-paced football match. Upbeat tracks are great for exciting moments, making the audience feel the adrenaline rush of the game, while slower songs can add drama or emotion. These tracks are perfect for slow-motion highlights or emotional moments, allowing viewers to connect on a deeper level. Sound effects can also enhance the viewing experience. They add a layer of realism that makes the audience feel like they are right there in the stadium. The roar of the crowd, capturing the collective excitement and energy of the fans, the thud of a well-struck ball emphasizing the power and precision of the players, and the referee's whistle can all add realism and excitement. These sounds are crucial in creating an authentic viewing experience. Experiment with different sounds to see what works best. Don't be afraid to mix and match until you find the perfect combination that complements your footage. Remember, a well-chosen soundtrack can elevate your video from good to unforgettable. The right music and sound effects can turn a simple highlight reel into a cinematic experience that resonates with your audience long after the final whistle. Section 6. The voice of the game adding commentary. Adding commentary to your video is a great way to provide context and insights for your viewers. You can comment on the plays, the players, or the overall game. Commentary can be done live during the game or recorded afterward. If you're not comfortable speaking on camera, you can always add text commentary instead. This can be a great way to highlight key moments or provide background information. A little bit of commentary can go a long way in making your video more engaging and informative. Section 7. First impressions matter. Crafting a strong intro. The first few seconds of your video are crucial. You need to grab your viewers' attention right away. A strong intro will set the tone for the rest of the video and make people want to keep watching. Consider starting with an exciting clip, a powerful image, or even a short title sequence. Be creative and don't be afraid to experiment. A strong intro is like a good tackle. It sets the tone for an unforgettable experience. Leaving a lasting impression, the outro. Just like the outro is your final chance to make a lasting impression on your viewers. It should provide a sense of closure and leave people feeling satisfied. You could end with a highlight reel of the best moments, a thank you message, or even a call to action. Keep it short, sweet, and memorable. The outro is your opportunity to ensure that your viewers leave with a lasting impression of the incredible football journey you've taken them on. The final whistle, reviewing your masterpiece. Before you share your video with the world, it's crucial to watch it from beginning to end. Look for any errors, such as jump cuts, audio glitches, or misspellings in your text. It's helpful to get a second opinion from a friend or fellow football enthusiast. Fresh eyes can often spot things you might have missed. This final check ensures that your video is polished and ready to be enjoyed by everyone. Sharing your vision, exporting and uploading. Once you're happy with your video, it's time to export it in a format that can be easily shared online. Popular video sharing platforms include YouTube, Vimeo, and Facebook. Choose the platform that best suits your needs and target audience. When uploading, be sure to write a catchy title and description to attract viewers. Congratulations! Now your football masterpiece is ready to be shared with the world. Conclusion: your football story awaits. Creating a 10-minute football highlight video is a rewarding experience. It allows you to relive the excitement of the game and share your passion with others. With a little practice and these helpful tips, you can produce a video that you'll be proud to share with friends, family, and fellow football fans. So gather your footage, unleash your creativity, and let's kick off this exciting filmmaking journey. The world is waiting to see your unique football story unfold.